12 reasons your sleep and body will thank you for castor oil. Have you heard of castor oil? It's so beneficial to your health that you may use it on your skin, hair, and face. Some people even recommend applying right before bed. The plant known as Ricinus communis yields castor oil, which has long been used in traditional medicine to treat skin and stomach disorders. If you're wondering what else this oil is used for, it can be used to make fuel, keep machinery operating smoothly, and make lotions and medications. In our video today, we're going to speak about why some people apply castor oil before bed. Let's get started. Some people talk a lot about how fantastic it is, but does it work? Number 1. Enhance joint health with a long history of application. Castor oil is a multipurpose oil that is ideal for joint health, relieving pain and swelling in swollen and aching joints. The oil's constituents also reduce joint inflammation and relieve tightness and discomfort. In addition to lubricating joints deeply into skin and tissues to improve mobility and reduce stiffness, chronic inflammation can damage joints. Castor oil also increases blood flow to joints to bring more healing nutrients and oxygen while also removing toxins to reduce swelling and discomfort. Finally, it strengthens muscles and ligaments to relieve pressure on joints for improved health. Moreover, castor oil protects joints from oxidative stress, which can harm tissues and joints if left unchecked. Number 2. Aids in addressing sleep issues. If you have trouble falling asleep at night, you're not alone. This issue is widespread, much like constipation. If you don't get enough sleep, castor oil can help. Many people suffer from insomnia, which is the inability to fall asleep or stay asleep. Waking up frequently leaves them feeling exhausted throughout the day, which can impact their quality of life at work and elsewhere. However, some people take sleeping pills excessively and develop an addiction. If sleeping pills don't work, it can feel hopeless. Try applying a amount of castor oil as an alternative if you're having trouble falling asleep. It's easy to use. Before going to bed, apply some castor oil to your eyelids. This is a natural way to promote sleep. However, if you don't like the feel of oil on your lashes, there's another way aromatherapy can help you fall asleep. Combine castor oil with any essential oil you own and apply it to your temples. Essential oils like peppermint, lavender, and rose work well with castor oil. Number 4. Similar to coconut oil, castor oil helps to detangle hair and can be used to treat conditions where hair becomes so coiled that it forms a hard lump. It can also make hair look healthier and more lustrous. People occasionally apply castor oil to their eyebrows and eyelashes because it may accelerate hair development by increasing blood flow to the hair roots. Several studies have also shown that retinoic acid and castor oil can help regrow hair. Can influence a certain hormone that can aid with hair loss. If your hair is thick or frizzy, adding a few drops of castor oil to your conditioner can smooth it out. Use it once or twice a week for the greatest results for thorough treatment. Before going to bed, massage hair with castor oil and cover it with a shower cap. In the morning, rinse your hair in the shower with shampoo and conditioner. You may need to shampoo a couple of times to remove all of the oil. Number 5. Your immune system can be strengthened by using castor oil. Because it facilitates the lymphatic system's better functioning, this oil benefits the immune system. The lymphatic system is a network of tiny tubes that helps the body eliminate excess fluid, proteins, and waste from cells. I've traditionally used castor oil to alleviate joint issues because it enhances blood circulation, helps with fluid flow in the lymph system, and maintains the health of the thymus gland, a component of the immune system. Backache, stomach issues, and constipation. In research, those who applied castor oil packs to their stomachs increased the production of lymphocytes, important immune system cells that fight against pathogens and toxins. Additionally, castor oil treats digestive problems like constipation and heart health. Number 6. Is effective in curing minor wounds. Small wounds can be healed using castor oil. It is encouraging to know that castor oil has some benefits, but keep in mind that it be used for severe wounds or major issues. Instead, see a doctor for minor cuts or scratches. Doctors frequently use called Benelux to treat wounds because it contains both castor oil and Peru balsam. This combination is particularly effective for treating burns, skin sores, and wounds from surgeries. Castor oil is helpful because it keeps the area moist and can prevent the wound from getting too dry. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid can reduce pain-related swelling. Demonstrate that castor oil is effective in treating wounds. For an elderly man who was unable to respond to other treatments had his stomach surgery wound healed thanks to a special spray containing Peruvian balsam castor oil and an enzyme called trypsin. However, it's important to keep in mind that products containing castor oil may also contain other ingredients, so you should always check with your doctor before using them on a wound. Does castor oil have other benefits? Yes, it does, and there are many more amazing things castor oil can accomplish. Number 7. Castor oil can be used to clean dentures, but they can be difficult to keep spotless. Your grandparents may have discovered that this method works well for keeping old dentures in good condition. People who wear dentures should avoid bacteria and fungal buildup, especially as candida can cause denture stomatitis, which can cause pain, redness, and swelling. Denture castor oil can help repel bacteria and fungi. One study found that soaking in a mixture of castor oil for a brief period decreased infection symptoms, and another study verified that this approach reduces fungal problems in older persons who wear dentures. Number 8. Lessens discomfort and inflammation. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling in the body, which is a reaction by our immune system to fight off further infections. If inflammation is left untreated, it can lead to major conditions, diabetes, arthritis, and heart disease. The acids in castor oil act as a natural pain reliever for conditions like arthritis, painful muscles, and menstrual cramps. Additionally, the ricinoleic acid in the oil inhibits molecules that promote inflammation. Applying it helps reduce pain and improve blood flow. Additionally, castor oil lessens bug bite puffiness and discomfort, bruises and minor wounds while reducing discomfort. Additionally, it helps the lymphatic system, which gets rid of fluid and waste from the body. If this system isn't functioning properly, it can lead to swelling. Using castor oil can speed up this process, decreasing edema and inflammation. For these benefits, apply directly to the area of discomfort or consume it orally. Number 9. Can aid in the treatment of fungal infections. Traditional medicine has long utilized castor oil to treat a variety of ailments, fungal infections of the skin, nails, and scalp that are difficult for regular medications to treat. When applied to the affected area, castor oil works effectively to stop the fungus from growing, spreading, and eventually going away. It can also minimize inflammation, reducing pain and discomfort. Additionally, if a fungal infection leaves your skin dry and flaky, castor oil can moisturize the skin, minimizing itching and dry patches. Number 10. Castor oil is an excellent option if you're sick of your skin feeling dry even after using a lot of lotions and creams because it naturally moisturizes your skin. You'll notice that many moisturizing products include ricinoleic acid, which helps to trap moisture in your skin. However, you can use pure castor oil instead of the additional substances in such products, which could irritate your skin or cause other issues. Castor oil is less expensive than other oils, so you can use it on your entire body to maintain soft skin instead of just your face. This allows you to save money. As coconut or almond to enhance its moisturizing properties. Just be sure to test a small amount on the back of your hand or other part of your skin before using it completely to ensure you are not allergic. Number 11. Aids in supporting a healthy digestive system. In addition to cleaning your gut and flushing out harmful substances, castor oil also helps your intestines push food along, which is great for those who have trouble going to the bathroom. It also keeps your belly happy and helps people who are exposed to pollution or who eat a lot of junk food. Finally, it helps reduce stomach swelling, which can cause pain, bloating, or gas due to stress, poor eating, or illness. In addition to being healthy for you, this oil promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in your stomach, preventing gastrointestinal problems. Number 12. Begins the laboring process in expectant mothers. A traditional method of inducing labor in expectant mothers is castor oil. It works by forcing you to use the restroom, which might aggravate your woman's uterus and trigger contractions. Additionally, it increases the production of a specific type of fat in your body that helps prepare your cervix for giving birth. 2018. Researchers looked at 19 studies and discovered that consuming castor oil orally is a safe and effective strategy to prepare the cervix for birth and to induce labor. A study also revealed that approximately 91% of women who took castor oil to start labor had their babies normally and without incident. You shouldn't take castor oil to induce labor unless your doctor gives the all clear. We're excited to share the amazing health benefits of castor oil, from skincare to relieving constipation. However, some doctors don't think it's a good idea to use it because it could cause the baby to have a bowel movement before birth, which can be dangerous. If you're looking to improve your digestion, skin, or hair, try castor oil. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more great health advice. We'll be back soon with more ways to make your life healthier and happier. Keep discovering the remedies found in nature.